Well, okay, there's some good light. Well, oh, fucking toolbox. Alright, so, hey you sexy people out there, how you doing? I hope you're doing pretty goddamn good. And today, I bought myself a bike, a new bike, because the old bike, well, it got a flat tire, and I really wanted this bike that I saw in town, and so I thought, I'm gonna go and get it. And it was only $109, so I'm like, yeah! And it's a really good bike for $109. Anyway, so I'm gonna show it to you. There's not really much, there's not very good light in here, so I'm actually going to bring it back a little. So, I got myself a new bike today, as I said, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So, here we go. Here's the new bike. I put it all together today. So, yeah. It's pretty freaking neat. So, I took off the reflectors on the front and put my light that I have here, which if I turn it on, if it decides to turn on, come on, turn on! Oh my god, are you freaking serious? Turn the fuck on. There we go. Alright, so this light here flashes, and or it does like a, like that. Or it has a full-on, if I'm riding at night, it goes on like that. Alright, so I got the GoPro, well it's not a GoPro, but I've got the video camera on the front, the 4K Sport. I got the belt, it has to come with a belt. I put my bike chain on it, so if I go out and stuff. So this one has dual shock absorb, so it's really comfortable to ride. I've ridden a little bit already. Oh, and so unfortunately there was no place to put my water bottle, so I made this zip tie water bottle fixture on my handlebars so I can at least have a drink while I'm riding. So that's good, that's cool. And yeah, so full on pleased about that purchase. I'm going to take it for a test ride tonight. So I'll put the footage on the end of, I don't know, I've never taken the GoPro out at night. Well, it's not a GoPro, but I'm just going to call it a GoPro because it's better. Actually, it's better than a GoPro, I think. Yeah, I'd say so. Anyway, it comes out with 4K, apparently. So, I'm going to test a night run with it, and see how that goes, and I'll put the footage on the end of this video. So, yeah. New bike. Yay. So I've only got, oh jeez, seriously? Fucking hell, that is so annoying. Like, I go to tighten it and then it gets too tight and then it gets too loose and I'm like, ah, and it does that. Alright, so I need light. Sorry guys. So, what was I saying? Alright, so I only need like 50 kilometers more to finish off for November, to reach my 100 kilometer goal. So, that's that. I haven't had anyone donate yet, which is unfortunate and disappointing. Especially, I have like 406 friends on my private Facebook, and I have, I don't know, on my Roseworne one, I don't know how many I've got on there. I've got a few, I've got maybe 100 or something, and no one has donated. And I'm like, it's only $5 to donate. You can put any amount in there, $5 minimum. If I have $5 for 400 people, that's $2 grand right there. And my goal is $2 grand, and I'm like, well, I'm not asking for much. I'm asking for a minimum of $5, and if you can afford that, then do it. I put $30 in, and I'm on the pension, so, like, what the hell? Why can't some blue collar, a lot of my friends are blue collar, and a lot of my friends have jobs and stuff. I mean, sure, they have kids and stuff too, but hey, if they can afford, this is where it dogs me really bad. If you can afford a charity like breast cancer or ovary cancer, and you put money towards them, but you don't put money towards men, like a men's foundation, that's just fucking sexist, man. So, yeah, I'm just saying, hey guys, it's time to stand up for men's health. Hey, stand up for me. I'm a man. Just. Anyway, so I got Assassin's Creed, the new, you can't even see it. It's so fucking dark in here. I have 1 light, 2 light, 3 lights on. I have door open, window open, window open, window open, front door thingy open, and it's just so dark in here. It's just unbelievable. I need better lighting. But yeah, I'm gonna take it for a night ride tonight. Alright, so, still annoyed about the event, really. Like, how dare people stand me up? Especially when you're saying you're gonna go. And especially when you're from a men's health fucking organisation. Like, God, Jesus Christ. And still I've had no apologies, no email saying, oh, sorry we didn't make it, you know, nothing. I'm tempted to sending her an email and going, where were you? And you know what? I reckon, oh, I thought it was the 18th of December. It's from November. And if they say, oh, it was a cloudy day and it was raining and blah, blah, blah. It was actually sunny at 4 p.m. Anyway, I've had enough of this shit. I will see you guys later. And on that note, you know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will subscribe back to you if you're a content creator. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
We'll be right back.